welcome to Tech. In this session, we will discuss about the heading tag. So in our previous session, we discussed about the basic structure of HTML, and for this session, we are mainly discuss about the heading tags, how we define the headings for our web pages, how many types of heading tags are there in our HTML. Okay. So from line number one, we have defined a few tags that are used for headings. So on line number 10, we are using the h1 tag that is for heading 1. Okay. And then on line number 11, we are using h2 tag, then h3, h4, h5, and h6. So these all six tags are used for defining the headings. Okay, so the questions comes here, like we have six ways to define the headings, then what are the difference between these six? Okay, so now I will tell you about this, the difference between these six tags. So the first tag that we are using, with the help of h1, the first heading we have defined with the h1 tag is the highest important heading for our web page. Then if we talk about the h6 tag, then it is the least important heading. So whenever we move from h1 to h6, then the importance of that heading will be decreased gradually. So if we want to uh, show the one important heading on our web page, then for that we will use h1, and if then the heading is not that much of important, then we will use h2, h3, h4 as per our need. So what mainly this is used to show the importance of the heading to our web page. Now I will show you the output of this, these all six tags. So just save this page and go to the browser and refresh your browser. Okay, so here are the output of those six tags. So as we discussed that the h1 tag is the highest important heading. So heading was is highly important or highly bold, we can say, uh, heading. Then the heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So heading 6 is very small and not that much of highlighted as compared to the other headings, because it is the least important heading. So this is how we can define the different types of heading in our HTML. So suppose if I change the heading 6 with the heading 1, then we will see the output in our browser, like how what will be affected in the browser. So just save this and go to the browser again and refresh your page. So here we can see that the heading 6 is also highlighted as heading 1. So this is the difference between the h1 and h6 tag. So as per our need or requirement, we can use any of these heading tags as per our need or our importance of our heading. So for this session, this is the only thing I wanted to share.